Hello, my name is Elizabeth Henry, and today I'm going to be presenting the study I conducted called How Stress and Procrastination Affects Students' GPAs. The main problem at hand is that college students' GPAs are often affected by multiple factors they encounter while they're in attendance. This could be, work-life balance, school-life balance, not getting enough sleep, stress, procrastination, difficult classes, many things. However, the main factors that were examined in the study were stress and procrastination. This is some examples of past research that I've collected. The first one deals with stress and was found by Fraser and other researchers that worked with him. They claimed that students who claimed they had stress affecting their cumulative GPAs had lower GPAs than those who reported having stress but not affecting their academic performance, and those who did not experience stress at all. The second quote was from Rothblum and researchers who assisted him. They reported that participants who reported being procrastinators had lower GPAs than those who reported to be non-procrastinators. And the third quote was by Guru and other researchers that were with him. They conducted a study in which they found that procrastination acts as a stress generating mechanism, and hence saying that stress and procrastination often work hand in hand as they relate to students' GPAs. The research question that was examined was, how does stress and procrastination affect GPA? And there was three hypotheses. The first hypothesis was that stress negatively affects GPA. The second being that procrastination negatively affects students' GPA. And the third saying that procrastination and stress have a positive correlation. The participants that participated in this study were students from Louisiana State University at Alexandria. There was a total of 76 participants, 72 being female, 2 male, and 2 non-binary. The study also examined non-traditional students who were from ages 18 to 55. The method that was used for this study was first the demographics, mainly using the GPA portion, and the other way was through two surveys. The first one being the procrastination scale that was created by Lay in 1986. And the second was the perceived stress scale that was created by Cohen and other researchers in 1983. The procedure is as follows. First, the students received a link from Dr. Richard Elder, and when they clicked on the link, that we were able to gain informed consent for research. The third step was that the students input their demographics, which include age, gender, and GPA. And then once they did that, they went on to take the surveys for stress and procrastination. And after all of these students inputted their answers for the survey, I went on to analyze the data. And the results for hypothesis number one, which was that stress negatively affects GPA. These results were not found to be significant and that they cannot be generalized from the population, and therefore the hypothesis was not supported. I did include my numbers and the scatter plot to show this. Right, and the results for the second hypothesis, which was that procrastination negatively affects students' GPAs. Again, I did include the scatter plot in the data. The results were found to be significant and they could be generalized from the population. However, this hypothesis was not supported by these results, as my hypothesis claimed the opposite effect of what was shown through the data. And the results for the third hypothesis, which was that stress and procrastination are positively correlated with one another. These results were found to be significant and they could be generalized for the population, as it shows through the scatter plot and the data. And this hypothesis was supported that as stress increases, so does procrastination. Right. Overall, while procrastination and stress was not found to affect students' GPA, the two variables did have an effect on each other. I feel like this was contributed mainly to the fact that while college students are in attendance, there are still many factors that are involved in affecting their GPA, not just stress and procrastination. There is hope for a future study to re-examine these variables, maybe in a long-term situation, and perhaps, involving other categories as well. And these were the references that I included in this study. And I just want to say thank you for your time and listening. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.